Okay, as promised, I'm going to show you guys how I made this TikTok. First, I recorded that first half of the video using a filter with the 3 picture thing. I'm going to show you how to get this filter a little later, but this is just my first time doing it. That's what it looked like. And this was maybe my 4th or 5th time, and I really like this one, so I think this is the one that I went with. Yeah, this was the video that I went with for the video. So then I added a caption and the hashtags and everything because I knew I was not going to be able to edit it when I save it. So I did that, and then you have to put the duet react sign thing. So yeah, now it's saved into the video. You go back to the app, hit duet on that same video that you just posted, and then it gives you this. And then you go to effects to get the effect. You put the this little picture thing, and it gives you an option of doing 3, and that's the one that you're going to use. So now I'm setting the timer for 3 seconds. I'm going to try to make it look as smooth as possible with the transitions like this. This was just my first time, so it doesn't really look too bad. Yeah, I was just practicing. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys how long this took me. I don't even remember the time, but this took a long time for me to get. But the more I did it, the better I got at it. But this is very time consuming. Like, this was not something easy. I think I really like this one, but I didn't like my tongue. So this was me showing that this was like the one, guys, because this was going to be the one. But yeah. See, that was nice. What did you guys think? I think that was one of my favorites until I mastered it and I found the one I really liked. This one was good too. Oh my gosh. But this is the one that I finally went with and that looked good enough for me. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and more tutorials coming.